Hello, everyone. I'm Ashish, the proud owner of Attractive Lifestyle, and this is Angelica.
Hi, everyone. I'm Angelica, and I bought this amazing swimsuit for my daughter.
Angelica, I see you've picked the military pattern swimsuit. It's so stylish, even the fish in the pool will salute your daughter.
Yes, and the colors, white, sky blue, and navy blue, are perfect for a little spy mission in the pool.
This beauty is made from 82% polyester and 18% spandex. So stretchy, you'd think it was made by a magician.
And don't forget the double layer front, perfect for those unexpected cannonballs.
Right. And with UPF 50+, it's like having your very own personal sunblock. Sun's out, but no worries.
Just remember, avoid rough surfaces and velcro. We don't want the swimsuit to look like it's been through a World War VII battle.
Exactly. Now, this swimsuit is available in sizes 8 to 20. So no matter how big or small, we've got you covered.
And the best part? It's available on Amazon in Canada, USA, and Mexico. Links are below.
Oh yes, and we've got discounts from 10% to 50% and free shipping. Because who doesn't love a bargain?
Make sure to grab yours before they disappear faster than my money from my bank account.
And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Follow us on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram, or I'll send you a letter to remind you.
Because if you're not following us, you're missing out on all the fun, and who wants to miss out on that?
Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Until next time, keep swimming in style.